A very good day. Today, I would like to start my presentation about the topic of smart foldable grocery carrier device. My name is Sze Jun. This is my concept one of my smart wheel carrier grocery carrier device. This is the assembler wheel, which include the part which have handle which made by carbon fiber materials, which allow the user to hold the device easily and comfortable. This is the bar which made by stainless steel to allow the user to fold or unfold the handle by pushing or pulling, and allow the user to push the cart with handle. This is the basket made by PVC to put the grocery and provide protection. This is the rotator made by plastic which able to fold the handle. This is the three-wheel caster, which made by the polyurethane, which used to reduce the friction when between the ground and the wheels and able to climb upstairs and move forward and backward. This is the rear shovel caster made by the polyurethane, able to rotate 360 degrees so that it can turn right and left easily and move front and back. This is the PVC hinge to enable the basket to fold the floor. This is the sensor which detect the dangerous situation and tracking the user. This is the compartment made by PVC. It is used to separate dry and wet grocery. Behind the cart, we can see we have the cart cap made by the plastic to protect the motor, and this is motor provide the movement for the cart. Next is the folding wheel. First, we remove the compartment and sensor. Next, we push the upper handle downward and fold the basket inward. From position A to B, we fold the handle down. And this is the cart which completely fold. In the packaging wheel, we can see this has sensor and this is compartment and this is motor. And this, with the compartment, we can separate the food and the cleaning groceries so that the food will not be contaminated. For the working principle IoT system, we have sensor, we have with the motorized base so that it can rotate 360 degrees to track card user and rotate about 90 degrees about x-axis. And we have this motor. The tips can rotate 360 degrees about x-axis. The sensor can track the user and the motor will help to automatically follow the user. For the ergonomics, we have this three-wheel caster. Each wheels can turn 360 degrees about their own axis, and also for the whole structure of the wheels can also turn 360 degrees with the wheels together. And for the rear swivel caster, we can turn 360 degrees about x-axis and also about x-axis. This is y-axis, sorry. And from this, we can look the front two wheels able the cart to turn left and right in many angles, and the wheels of the cart able the cart to move forward and back. This is the overall look. This is the side wheel. This is front wheel, and this is back wheel. The height of the cart is not full, is 700, and the length and its width are same, which is 450. For the folding wheels, the side wheel we can see the height is 500, and the length and the width remain the same. This is a side wheel, front one, back wheel. This also, after it completely folds, this is a side wheel, this front wheel, and this back wheel. For my concept 2 of the smart wheel carrier grocery device is for the assemble wheel, and we include the part have the handle which made by the carbon fiber materials to allow the user to hold the device easily and comfortable and preventing slip. For this is adjustable bar made by stainless steel to support and connect the handle and basket together. For the frame, we have stainless steel to hang the two shopping bags, which used to put the grocery inside. And we have the wheels with brake made by the polyurethane to help the car move front and back and easily and reduce friction and able to brake. This is a rear shower custom, also made by polyurethane, able to rotate 360 degrees so that it can turn right and left easily and move front and back. This is the GPS tracking system, can track the car easily and preventing missing. It has three shopping bags made by the laminated fabrics to put the grocery inside and provide protection. This is the hook to hang the bag to separate the food and groceries. Next is a folding wheel. First, we remove the bags from the cart and push down the handle. We push down again, and the position A to position B, we fold the cart inside. And this is the cart completely folded. For the packaging wheel, this is a packaging wheel. And from this, we can see the GPS tracking system, and we can see the shopping bags, separate the food and the cleaning groceries and our food we need to eat. This preventing the food from contaminated. Okay, from the working principle IoT system, we have the GPS to provide the information on our cart asset location so that we can know the movement of the cart when someone stole it by our phones. This is for the ergonomics. The caster with brake and rear shower caster, both caster can turn 360 degrees about their own y-axis and x-axis, so that the cart itself can also rotate 360 degrees about their own y-axis, and the wheels enable the cart to move freely front and back and left and right. This is the overall view when the car is not hold. This is its side view, front view, and back view with its dimension, height with 700, width, it is length with 450, and also for the width is 450. For the folding wheel, for the side view, front view, and back view, we can see the height is different as we pull down the handle down once, and the height become 650, and the width and length remain the same. For the second pull of the handle height become 500, and also the length and width remain the same. And when the car is completely full, it will be like this. This is its side view, front view, and back view. And we have two bags. This is bag A and bag B, with the dimension of height is 445, width is 145, length is 300. For B, the height, length, and width are same with 100 millimeters. I think this is the end of my presentation. A good day and thank you.